Hello English learners. Welcome back to the English Shadowing Podcast. I'm Sophie. Today I want to tell you a story. A story about courage, about change, and about believing in yourself. This story is called The Day I Started Believing in Myself. So sit back, relax, and listen slowly with me. There was a young woman named Maya. She was kind, quiet, and always tried her best. But no matter how hard she tried, she never felt good enough. She wanted to learn English, to speak with confidence, to make new friends, and to travel the world. But every time she opened her mouth, she doubted herself. What if I make a mistake? What if people laugh at me? What if I sound strange? So she stayed silent, smiling instead of speaking, nodding instead of trying. One day, her teacher asked the class to share their dreams. Everyone started talking. Some wanted to be doctors. Some wanted to travel abroad. Some wanted to teach. When it was Maya's turn, she froze. Her heart beat fast. Her voice was shaking. I want to speak English well, she said softly. And maybe, one day, travel to another country. The room went quiet for a moment. Then her teacher smiled. That's a beautiful dream, she said. You can do it. You just have to believe in yourself. Maya smiled shyly. But inside, she still didn't believe it. That night, she came home and sat by her window, looking at the stars. She whispered to herself, "Why can't I believe in me? Why do I feel afraid all the time?" Then she remembered her teacher's words. You can do it. You just have to believe in yourself. She closed her eyes and said those words again slowly. I can do it. Even if she didn't fully believe it yet. The next morning, Maya tried something new. She opened her English book and read out loud. At first it was hard. Her voice sounded unsure. Her pronunciation wasn't perfect. But she kept going. Every day, she read a little more. She repeated small sentences. She shadowed podcasts. And she started to smile when she spoke. Let's shadow together. I can do it. I believe in myself. I am learning every day. I am proud of my progress. I will not give up. Beautiful. That's the sound of belief growing inside you. Weeks passed. Maya started noticing small changes. She could understand more. She could speak longer sentences. And she started helping her classmates. One day, her teacher asked a question in English. No one answered. But Maya raised her hand. She spoke slowly, carefully, and clearly. When she finished, the whole class clapped. And her teacher said, See, Maya, you believed. And look how far you've come. Her eyes filled with tears. Because for the first time, She felt proud of herself. That evening, she wrote in her notebook, "Today, I started believing in myself. Today, I stopped being afraid. Today, I found my voice." And she meant every word. Let's shadow again. I'm not afraid of mistakes. I'm learning with confidence. I trust myself. My English gets better every day. I believe in me. Wonderful. You sound calm and strong. Months later, Maya joined an online English group. At first she was shy again. But this time, she remembered that night. And the day she found courage. She spoke softly. But her words were full of belief. Everyone listened kindly. And one student said, "Your English is beautiful. You sound natural." Maya smiled. Because that was the moment she realized. Belief changes everything. She didn't wait for perfection anymore. She enjoyed learning. She practiced every day. She believed that every step mattered. Now she helps other learners, telling them the same words her teacher once said. You can do it. You just have to believe in yourself. Let's shadow the final affirmations. I am confident. I am growing every day. I trust my voice. I believe in myself completely. I am proud of my journey. Beautiful. That's the language of self-belief. And that was the day I started believing in myself. Thank you for joining me today for this calm and gentle story. Remember, fluency begins with faith, and belief begins with you. I'm Sophie, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself.